guys, it's the first day of classes and we're back with the gang.
Good morning.
Andito na o sila.
Hello! Anong masasabi niyo today?
Kamusta ang bakasyon niyo?
Uy, balita ko by surname ang recitation. No?
Bilang isang businesswoman, ang ginawa ko ng bakasyon ay nagawa ng pulburon. Ito nga pala yung pulburon ko.
Guys, bili na kayo. Bumili ako ng dalawa.
Salamat sa tulong mo.
So magkakatabi na naman kami. First time namin magiging yung prof namin.
Actually, nagbasa ako. Hindi ko na siya natapos kasi history siya.
Ano binasa mo?
I cannot remember
What
anything.
What can you say now that we have new classmates?
Excited.
Meron ka palang
Kahit mahiyain ako.
Oh my God, si Doc. Yes! Hi, Doc!
Morning, Doc!
So, nagsisidatingan na ang mga classmate namin.
Yeah.
Hi, classmate!
It's actually history-based. So, yung pinaka-nabasa ko yung postcast. Kung anong mako-connect mo. Kunyari, peryo. Anong i-connect mo sa peryo sa OPD.
So, mag-aaral muna kami. Wow! Para naman may ma-target pa ngayon. Hindi lang puro lamon ang ambag.
Ito pala eh.
Hi, classmate!
Hello! So, introduction.
So, paano natin i-connect ang periodontics to the restorative dentistry? Siyempre, you always have to consider the periodontium, which is the gingiva, So, ang aming first day gift mula kay VN ay, ano to?
Alam, ang sarap na to.
Cookies.
Choco pie, guys. Super yummy.
Yummy. Ice cream.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Ano nga eh?
Wala pang recess.
Ay, wala pa recess. Sorry na.
Welcome to Philippine
Makatay na lang
Airlines.
mag-leave.
Welcome to Philippine Airlines. We would like to inform you that
One entry in the attendance will give you an entry to a bubble. With a prize of 1 million. Stabon. Alam ko yung parts, pero yung parang hindi ko na alam.
Misha, para sa susunod mong birthday. Advance happy birthday. I love you, Mom.
Happy birthday!
Hi, we're gonna do our exam in TPH later, and I'm reviewing. I'm making basa, oh.
Hi.
He's so nonchalant because he's gonna cheat.
So, how would you explain your prosta experience?
Ano ba? Di ko alam score ko eh. Basta inigay lang.
Thank you. Honestly, it's a good experience. How about you? What can you say? How could you explain your prosta experience? How would you read the exam?
2.25.
How would you rate your prosta exam from 9 to 10?
I have the score of 2.5. I am so thankful, but at the same time, I am so disappointed.
How would you rate your prosta experience?
I will give it a 6.
10 out of 10.
Wow!
But my best wasn't
How would you rate your prosta exam? How would you rate your experience?
It's negative 10 out of 10.
Why?
Because lagi ko nasunod yung
Yeah, kawawa siya. Lagi siya. So, may make-up ano po ako ngayon. Doon ikaw, sa kung wala naman kasi akong alam sa ano.
Ikaw ay nakitsawa. Ikaw pa ba ay nakikita? It's more of language because I'm an Englishera, halata.
Nakabahan ako, guys.
Anesthesia time.
Good evening. I mean, good morning. So, this is my building. It's Ibex. So today, what time is it? It's around 2. And we're just waiting for the jeep. And it's so tagal. I'm so sleepy. She wants to eat chowking, but I'm too broke. Anyway, guys.
Kasi parang
Imagine mo,
sumakses.
success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses
Wow,
eh.
makikita ko
Pero
na talaga
step by the step, but
Parang kasi sumakses.
bago
Wow,
ka sumakses.
makikita ko
Pero
na
yung
talaga
na-imagine mo,
success.
biglang kang sumakses.
When marimba rhythm starts to play with ease, when you dance you have a way with me, stay with me, sway me. Other dancers may be on the floor, yeah, but my eyes they see only you have that magic technique.